Alright, let's now discuss the campaign goals. Now that we know the structure of Pinterest ads, we can go one step further and discuss the goals, because we said for the overall campaign, for this umbrella, the first level, you can set a goal. And for that, we click on create a campaign, a manual campaign, and then you have here the objective of the campaign. Your campaign objective determines how you bid in the ad auction and what ad formats are available to promote, which means that based on what you choose here, you will have to pay basically differently, or other that sometimes you will have to pay for impressions, sometimes like here for video views, sometimes for clicks, and so on and so on. So the auction is then different, but also the available ad formats are sometimes different. Why? Because video views, of course, you can only upload a video. Then it makes no sense to have like an image, okay? So not only the bidding auction, but also the ad formats can change. We have here 3 different categories. Why is that? Because it's like step by step. At first, companies want to build brand awareness, which they do if nobody knows their brand, or other if they are an existing brand like McDonald's or Coca-Cola, so big brands, and just want to get seen. Because let's say you are McDonald's and everybody knows your products. Now it's enough for you to make a video view or brand awareness campaign. Why? Because when people see your logo again, they might consider buying a product or eating at your place the next time they are hungry. But also for new brands, it can make sense. I have to say that these two are very, very expensive. So brand awareness and video views are very expensive. But the thing here would be that you start with awareness. So you show people your product, you show people your logo. There's also a statistic that says that people need about 7 to 12 contacts with your product or brand to buy. Because nobody is seeing a product or a brand for the first time and is instantly buying. Nobody sees your video for the first time, clicks on it and buys it. That is never the case. But if that person sees your video with Pinterest ads, then sees maybe your content on Instagram, then sees a LinkedIn post, and then on another day, again, a Pinterest ads, they are more likely to buy. So the more often they see your logo, they see your product, the more likely they are to then buy in the third step. So this is only that people see you and your content and your products, video views or awareness, so impressions. Then, second stage, after you build awareness, you can drive consideration. And this is about clicking. Get more people to click your ad on Pinterest, which means that you maybe have a product and your website or e-commerce store linked in that promotional pin. So you want that people really click on your website and search there for products or read blog posts, whatever. But it's not only about seeing the pin, but it's rather about making an action. And in the third step, it's about conversion. So you want to sell a product, drive people to take actions on your website, or promote your product inventory with shopping ads. Which means that you have a group, let's say, of 1,000 people, you reached 1,000 people with brand awareness, all right? For these 1,000 people, you save this audience, and for these 1,000 people, you make another ad, which is consideration. And maybe 50 of them click on the link. And for these 50 people, you then make a conversion ad, which would be a low number to be honest, but still that is how this step-by-step would work. In build awareness, you have brand awareness, so help people discover your brand, products, and other services. That is only about getting seen or showing the product and the service. Or you have video views. Promote videos to help people discover your brand or drive actions. Consideration means get more people to click your ad on Pinterest. Then we have this here. And I have to say that conversion is rather complex because here you need to kind of link the Pinterest tag with your website. Which also means that we will mostly discuss the first three here. And for these, I will give you also some articles to do that on your own. Because to run these ads, it's basically the same. But to connect the Pinterest tag with your shop system or website, it is very important to know which shop system and or website. Because there is Shopify, WooCommerce, and thousand more, Wix, Jimbo, and so on. So I cannot make a video for all of them. That is why an article from Pinterest directly should help here. Okay. And then we have catalog sales, same here. Promote your product inventory with shopping ads. So this would also be possible if you have a couple of shopping pins, then you can make a shopping ad here. All right, this is the objective of the campaign. And in the next video, we start with exactly this, with the campaign label here, and make a name, status, but also set the budget and schedule for the whole campaign.